Good late afternoon, or late evening actually, approaching a gorgeous, glowing, not a cloud in the sky, sensational sunset in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. On a nice, beautiful day. It warmed up nicely today. Got up into the mid-70s, no wind, no clouds. It was just gorgeous after a very chilly weekend in the 40s on Friday and Saturday. But real quick update here as I watch some playoff hockey, because I'm doing a little bit of sports betting, right? I'm a sports bettor. I'm a gambler. I'm just not a big proponent of gambling on stocks. I like to gamble more in sports and casino, right? Because I have a better chance on my overall luck in winning when I gamble. That's why when I trade stocks or commodities or anything with my investments, I try to probability-based structure, right, to make it simple, easy to formulate the game plan and follow, and have a better chance of success and a lower chance of having a losing trade. And that's why you guys like, subscribe, and share, along with the XRP, the future millionaire, with a side bet on XLM. You know what I'm saying? And future Digibyte, OG, Targzition, Trading Alert, right? Along there, we both knocked down the criminal gangster cartels and the fleecers and hustlers and heisters on YouTube, right? All these, like Carl from the Moon and Crypto Crow and all these other scumbags. They're all fleecing and heisting, and they won't tell you when the price is going to go down or go up. They just say it's always going to go up. As you know, we will tell, or the XRP future millionaire is quicker to pull the trigger when the price is going to go up. But oh yes, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing will also be quick on the trigger. Not as quick. I'm a little more quicker on the gold trigger. XRP future millionaire kind of sees the Bitcoin rise a little bit sooner than I do, but I will be quicker on the trigger in the commodities and gold market than he will be, and we kind of feed off that with each other, right? But we're the only guys on here that don't fleece and hustle and heist you. We just try to give you real straight up info, what we honestly believe is going to happen, right? We're not financial advisors, nor do I play one on my own radio network, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. This is strictly entertainment and educational only, right? And yes, Riley, the ghost of Riley Martin Show, will have a special episode tonight, sometime between now and midnight, while I gamble and watch some sports and follow. Honestly, I'll still be following the crypto for you all night while I gamble and just kind of chill on my last night at home, and I relax, right? It's so nice to be home in beautiful Roseville. But I digress, right? We're approaching 300 subscribers, and you're sick of hearing me talk. Let me get some coins. Nobody's really requested anything in the comments. Not saying I'll pay to request, but even just request on random coins. So I'm just going to kind of make the run of the mill. I'm just going to kind of do a new style, fast-paced, quick synopsis. So let's see what we got going on here in Matic. We got a big consolidation here in Matic. So something's going to happen in Matic. Oh, let's pull Eraser out. You guys asked me. I had subscriber requests. They said, Vincenzo, where the fuck is Eraser at? Well, bam. You want more Eraser? You guys are going to get more Eraser subscribers. My nearly 300 beautiful, glowing, lovely subscribers, right? Look at that. You wanted more Eraser? Bam. Eraser. Bam. Look at that strategically hit Eraser. Bam. Bam. Good job, Eraser. Thank you, Eraser. Another fabulous show. It's been a while since we've seen Eraser, but we're going to bring him back. Subscribers are requesting Eraser. We're going to actually pull this target down here. That's your more relevant target right now. But we're kind of forming a consolidation to right there. You can kind of say it was there, but I'm going to say it's here, right? Because that makes more sense. And then we're just going to pull that out in case it doesn't break out of it anytime soon. We can kind of follow it. We're going to go there to here. And what do we got? I would say we kind of got some. We got some support right here, right? It's kind of like a Head and Shoulders, but I mean, you could say it's a Head and Shoulders, right? But it'd be a really small one in 30 minutes. You could say that's a left shoulder, an elongated head, and then a right shoulder developing. And then you would go from there. That would be the neckline. Get off here, drag that down to a breakout. Say it broke out there. And that would actually have some confluency with our target down. So that on Matic, this is what you got to look out for. If that's a head and shoulders and a 30-minute time frame reversal, topping reversal pattern, your target would be where we've been saying we'll move that over here now that the price action's moved along. Your target's down here at $1 or slightly below, which was been what we've been targeting for a few days. We actually hit it now. And then we said if it comes back, because this could be a phenomenal double top right here too, a sexy, phenomenal double top pull, our industry and company favorite drawing tool. You see top and then another top, right? So that could be that. Pay attention for that. If it goes the other way and breaks up above this, no, you understand? Because you're not hodling. You guys are all swing traders. So my hodlers, just keep hodling. If you believe in it long term, accumulate on the dips and just continue riding them gangs. If you're a swing trader, yes, get your notepads out, turn up them hearing aids. Very important information. If you break that down, sloping resistance, your next target logical would be up here at about $2.22, right? That's what you got to look for if you break it up. Of course, trading view is going to be fucking stupid. Right, we're over here now. So that would be your next target if you break up about $2.25. So up or down, pay attention to the neckline. We're actually going to clone one of these right here. Cloned, because this is a very important spot, right? So pay attention to break the neckline at $1.54-ish, $1.50 to 55. If you break that decisively, the neckline with volume, you're coming down to $1. If you can break up with some volume, you can trade your way up to $2.28. And Matic, let's scroll through the list. You got to go quicker than that. I don't really care about Hendira. I don't give a shit about that. The subscriber did before. If you want that, just comment, but I'm not going to go to it. XRP Future Millionaire covers that extensively. But I'm not going to cover that. I just don't want to cover it. All right, let's take a look at Quant, because I've had subscribers pay for requests or donations for educational and entertainment on what I think I'm looking at in the stock. So we're gonna give them one right now. I believe it's Digital Asset Daddy's a value customer, right? Along with our Malaysian buddy, my man from Malaysia. I appreciate your support. The United Kingdom, right? We're gonna do our market share update tomorrow. I've been kind of out of whack because I've been more in party mode this weekend. Because I've been off finally from work and back home. I'm just cleaning up the chart as I digress. So I haven't done my morning drive to work radio show. And it's really irritating me because I love doing it and the audience you guys seem to like it. But I'm going to continue to do that because I like doing it. I like having my own radio show where I can talk about more than crypto, right? Because you guys love crypto. I love to talk about a lot of things, monetary, fiscal policy, inflation, stimulus packages, all that stuff, but the audience is just not there yet for that. I don't have a big enough audience to have those segments. I just do brief stuff. But in Quant, we've kind of broken out of what we were talking about last weekend when he first told me to look at this. And we broke to underneath. Now that used to be support is now acting as resistance. So we're going to draw that more out into the future. So Digital Asset Dad, I know you follow this. And a few other people have requested. Here's your way upper resistance. This is your more short-term lower resistance. About 42 cents upper resistance, major at 45, and major support, short-term support down at 35. Here's sort of what I think you're going to do. Or actually, yeah, here's what you're going to do. We got to get rid of that. We got more noise. I was like, what the hell is that? Real quick, I need my drawing tool. Here's what you're gonna do. You could trade up and come up here to test upper midterm resistance at $42 and then dance along it. And then if you get rejected, you'll trade your way back down to 36 cents. Or if you can get some volume candles in a 30-minute and hour time frame, you could try to fight your way and then come back and hold this as support now at $42 and trade your way up to $45. See what I'm saying? So that's an option. Those are your two options if you're following Quant right now, right? That's what I'd be paying attention for there. We'll go do one more coin. We did VeChain earlier. I'm not going to do that again right now. Tezos, nobody's ever really asked that. Filecoin, I don't think anybody cares. If you guys care about any of these, DNT, Algorand, Tezos, any of that shit, let me know. I'll do some of that or any other stocks. Just let me know what you guys want. But you guys seem to like these major about 9 or 10 coins that we do. XRP we didn't. No, yeah, XRP. Ooh, see, we're getting a little pumped there. See that right there? That's good though. XRP, we got some good volume right there. See that? That's good volume. I like that. Right? It's got some decent volume right here. So what I would pay attention to in XRP, real quick, is we drew that, what we were sort of trading in the other day. It kind of broke down out of it a little bit. See that? Ah, come on. Pull our darn tool out here to here. See, I drew that out for you the other day. Upper resistance at $1.05, lower support at 90. And I said I could see us trading in this for a few days and try to establish, because our track in red there says we should trade sideways, maybe test upper resistance. And then we broke down out of that pattern and we said, watch, because we got supported here. We said, watch, maybe you could come retest this as upper resistance now and maybe try to break and trade back up into that, right? So pay attention for that tonight. See if you can trade up into that range a little bit more. You got the down sloping 200 right there. We'll make it green. If that would be your, if it keep pumping right now, this would be your next logical area, that 200-day moving average rate that is drew in for you to get rejected or maybe get rejected, right? Pay attention for that in XRP. Dogecoin real quick. You're gonna have a major move in Dogecoin here really quick because you're getting squeezed in this pattern. So if you can fight your way and break up past that downsloping resistance and that downsloping 50, that other blue line there, you could try to fight your way back up and try to hit this downsloping 200 up there, right? So pay attention to that if you're trying to swing trade it either way, shorting it or longing it. If you break above, we'll make a little price target. Oh, we got to move our price targets because the price has changed, has been trading. If you break above that blue line, or actually that 50-day moving average at 30 cents, and you get some volume, you can try to play it up to the 200-day moving average or play more of a breakout, but that's what to look for there. I've actually took a small gamble on this. I put a few $100s that I had chilling on Robinhood yesterday on the water. I bought down here, and I'm going to actually try to play this. You're not supposed to play it until it breaks out. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my own radio network. This is strictly educational and entertainment purposes. You're supposed to wait till it breaks above that 50-day moving average to break out of the pattern to play it up. But I said, what the fuck? I was drinking last night. I see the pattern coming to an end. It would make sense to trade up a little bit to get some jabronis in. I got a tight stop loss on that down-sloping 28-cent line or up-sloping orange line, my lower support. So I got a stop loss there, so I'm not going to lose any money. But it's just a small gamble. I said, what the hell, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.